what's up? This is B-Boy Kid David. I got my man Luigi and Venom, and we're gonna teach you the B-Boy segment of the Dr. Pepper Cherry YouTube Dance Studio Contest. Let's go. Now the first half, you're gonna do the choreography we teach you, and the second half is gonna be your freestyle. So we're gonna go through this routine fast. Remember, it's on YouTube, so you can always rewind it, pay attention to details like your hands, our levels, other stuff like that. So, from the top, we're gonna jump forward. We're gonna go 1, open, 2. From here, we're doing 2 3-steps. We're gonna go 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going down. From here, we're gonna go grab the air 7, twist around and open 8. From here, we're gonna go 1 and 2. We're gonna jump around 3, 4. Now we're gonna slide to the left. We're gonna go 5 and 6. Now we're gonna move back this way, 7 and 8. From here, we're gonna go 1, 2, hook the other side, 3, up, 4. Now we're gonna do a knee rock. Remember, stay light on your knees. We're gonna go 5, 6. We're gonna take this leg, shoot it under. We're gonna go 7 and 8. We're gonna cross 1 and 2. Slide 3, open 4. And that's it. All right, so now we're gonna do it half speed. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Twist 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 7 and 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4.
A friend of mine asked me to say some MC rhyme, so I said this rhyme I'm about to say. The rhyme was definite and went this way. Took a test to become an MC. Teacher Run said, "T, come and rhyme with me." So I climbed inside of Larry's Cadillac. The caddy drove off and we never came back. The car we rode in was a car called rap. That's the way it is and it's like that. I gotta give props to all hip hop, and I'm gonna keep rhyming till the day I drop. Just as I suspected, you can't touch me. To the A-double-R-Y-L. You wanna know why I'm still raising hell? You stand corrected by DMC. Yeah. Everybody wanna rap, but that's not all. But a real MC, you do not call, cause you can't write a rhyme at 1:45. You'll be a real MC before the jam is through. Now fake ass rappers that all like that. You need to take a record from childhood back. Find like wanna get better with time. And all the young girls say.
All right, guys, there it is. Remember, have fun, put your own style on the choreography, and we can't wait to see your stuff. Peace.
Find like wanna get better with time. And all the young girls say.